Hey guys, today I'll show you some beautiful pictures of landscaping. So, first of all, I will tell you what is the importance of garden landscaping. The first one is landscaping allows different species of plant to grow and nature provided with an adequate amount of water, good quality of soil and sunlight. So guys, look at this picture. These all are very beautiful pictures. So you can decor your garden like this. Look at this picture. And so plants improve the air quality around your home by capturing dust, smoke, particles and other so and it produces oxygen. Look at these picture. Beautiful colors. Look at this picture. Amazing painting. Beautiful nature. So guys, you can help with these ideas and decor your garden like this. Beautiful color combination. Each and everything is perfect in this picture. Beautiful picture. So guys, I'll show you top 30 pictures of landscaping so you can decor your garden with the help of these pictures.